In this video, we will highlight 5 legit and established AI crypto altcoins that have the potential to explode in 2025, similar to how Nvidia stock did in recent years. The potential of AI and DePin crypto altcoins is vast and exciting, offering numerous opportunities and possibilities for the future. In the ever-evolving realm of artificial intelligence and GPU advancements, Nvidia has established itself as a global leader, continuously pushing the boundaries of what is possible. Nvidia founder and CEO Jensen Huang recently introduced the company's new Blackwell computing platform, a groundbreaking innovation that promises to bring significant advancements. During the introduction, he outlined the major advances that this increased computing power can deliver, impacting a wide range of fields from software development to various services, robotics, medical technology, and much more. As these advancements unfold, all eyes in the crypto world will be on the potential of AI crypto projects. Experts and enthusiasts alike will closely monitor their possible impact on the industry, analyzing how these innovations could revolutionize the way we view and interact with digital assets. Let's jump right into our first AI project of this video called Render Network. Let's jump right in with our first AI project we would like to highlight called Render. From animated movies and online gaming to the crypto metaverse, most forms of digital entertainment heavily depend on motion graphics and three-dimensional visual effects. Industrial applications of 3D graphics range from product prototyping and simulation to scientific and architectural visualization. As the demand for immersive digital worlds grows, so does the need for complex computations. The Render token is designed to revolutionize the 3D rendering industry. By leveraging blockchain, Render provides an efficient and secure way for creators to access powerful computers for complex rendering tasks. Essentially, anyone can join the Render network to create or rent out computational resources, accelerating the rendering process. Render serves as a bridge between creatives and Render nodes, a distributed network of powerful computers, promoting faster, easier, and more secure rendering. Render also enables crowdsourcing of 3D projects and digital asset trading, creating an accessible ecosystem of creative digital assets, applications, and ideas. Render tokens' GPU-powered renders are applicable not only to film production but also to video game design, VR experiences, and more, enabling the media sector to produce high-quality visuals quickly. Apart from encouraging people to join the network, Render tokens can be used to purchase computing resources. The Render network is a self-sustaining, mutually beneficial ecosystem. By contributing their computing resources and purchasing additional ones with Render tokens, users are rewarded, incentivizing them to retain their tokens as their value increases with demand. The token reward system implemented within the Render network promotes a healthy, thriving ecosystem. This incentivization approach not only encourages existing users to invest further in the growth and success of the network, but it also attracts new users by creating a dynamic and rewarding environment. This enhanced level of security, trust, and transparency is not just a benefit, but a necessity for the Render network's continued growth and prosperity. As the network expands and evolves, these elements will remain central to its operation, ensuring the Render network remains a reliable and attractive platform for users. This, ultimately, maintains the network's competitive edge and ensures its longevity in a rapidly changing digital landscape. Render currently has a market cap of $1.8 billion. Render is one of the most complete projects in the AI and DePin space, and we think that a market cap of $80 billion is possible in 2025. That is a 44x from here. As our second AI project, we would like to highlight the Artificial Superintelligence Alliance. The Artificial Superintelligence Alliance, ASI, aims to accelerate innovation and establish standards in the emerging AI industry. The project connects 3 recognized AI blockchain platforms to create an inclusive ecosystem, guiding the industry on topics from innovation to ethics. The ASI is a merger of Fetch, Ocean Protocol, and Singularity Net. The goal is to foster open collaboration and innovation by building a community of like-minded AI users and developers. Each platform brings its strengths to the table. The merger was announced on July 1st as an open collaboration to improve integration and adoption. Each project's community voted on the merger, with all approving the idea and its benefits. Fetch integrates its autonomous agent technology, allowing anyone to perform actions within the ASI economy. These AI agents can be combined to perform complex tasks, learn from data, transact within the economy, and predict outcomes. This streamlines the creation of next-gen AI tools like chatbots, industrial processing systems, and IoT logistics networks. The Ocean Protocol contributes its data exchange frameworks, already in use on various L1s, including Ethereum, Polygon, BSC, and Moonriver. This protocol enables secure creation, publishing, curating, and trading of datasets using blockchain technology. SingularityNet maintains the decentralized AI network infrastructure and has introduced several high-level tech upgrades, including a neural symbolic AGI framework. Beyond technical support, its team of experienced developers and AI experts will educate the community and provide core services, including the development, sharing, and monetization of AI data, models, and algorithms. ASI focuses on helping to alleviate some major issues faced in the AI sector. The project focuses on pooling efforts to improve R&D, deepen liquidity, lower development costs, and integrate ethical standards that prevent abuse of this game-changing tech in the future. Many see ASI as a force for good in the market. Combining efforts and seeking to introduce moral and ethical AI guidelines makes sense. ASI accomplishes this task in a decentralized manner, keeping the community within the decision-making loop. This merger is poised to position the ASI token into the ranks of the top 20 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. With an anticipated total market cap of $7.5 billion, the merger will combine FET, AGIX, and Ocean into ASI. Be on the lookout. The merger will go live soon. AI project number 3 is called Injective Protocol. DeFi has quickly become one of the most popular uses for blockchain technology, replicating traditional financial services through smart contracts. Injective provides tools to build decentralized applications, dApps, focusing on these financial functionalities. It aims to create a comprehensive DeFi infrastructure that is interconnected and can access deep liquidity. Built using the Cosmos Software Development Kit, SDK, Injective benefits from fast transactions and the interoperability of Cosmos's inter-blockchain communication protocol. Injective's native token, INJ, is used for staking to validate transactions and for community voting to govern the protocol. Injective has received backing from major crypto investors, including Binance, and additional funding from venture capital groups like Pantera and Jump Crypto. The protocol has also partnered across the crypto space to support its development, including funding a $150 million ecosystem fund. Injective's primary role is to provide software modules for developers to build DeFi solutions. Because Injective's tools set a standard in its ecosystem, any DeFi protocols created with them are interoperable, allowing them to interact and share liquidity. Injective also addresses the front-running problem that has plagued DEXs. Front-running occurs when high-frequency traders, typically bots, detect trades submitted by individual traders and jump the line to execute more advantageous trades. Injective uses frequent batch auctions to solve this issue. In addition to liquidity aggregation, Injective maximizes interoperability using the existing Cosmos infrastructure. Cosmos introduced the IBC protocol in 2021, allowing various chains and dApps using the IBC standard to transact with each other. Through IBC, tokens and other data can seamlessly traverse Cosmos's ecosystem. Injective has also prioritized communication with chains outside of Cosmos through bridges, supporting digital asset transfers between individual chains. INJ is the native token of the Injective blockchain, serving multiple purposes for users. For example, INJ can be staked to secure the blockchain. Injective uses a delegated proof of stake, DPoS consensus mechanism based on Tendermint, to set the rules for processing transactions. Stakers are rewarded with additional INJ for their work in securing the chain. Furthermore, 40% of all protocol fees are allocated to developers, incentivizing them to build dApps on Injective. INJ is used in those dApps to pay for network fees and provide the liquidity necessary to run them. Finally, INJ is used for community governance through its DAO. The INJ token has an inherent deflationary mechanism through burn auctions. While 40% of protocol fees are distributed to Injective's dApp developers, the remaining 60% are collected and auctioned off to the highest bidder each week. The highest bidder wins the INJ in the pool of collected tokens, and the INJ tokens they have bid are burned. This buyback and burn approach is used by many crypto projects to exert deflationary effects on their token economics. Injective currently has a market cap of $1.8 billion. We predict that Injective will have a market cap of at least 70 billion in a bull run. That is a 39x from here. As our fourth AI project, we would like to highlight Akash. Akash is an open-source, decentralized cloud computing platform developed using the Cosmos Software Development Kit, SDK, and implemented on the Cosmos blockchain. It allows for the deployment of any cloud-native application, enhancing price performance and scalability for decentralized applications and organizations within its network. Akash is compatible with many extant cloud applications, enabling businesses to engage in the decentralized cloud computing market. By distributing underutilized cloud capacity, Akash provides more efficient and cost-effective cloud computing services compared to centralized alternatives. The network, due to its commitment to open-source technology, is claimed to be significantly cheaper than existing centralized cloud computing providers. AKT, the native token of the Akash network, is used for network governance and security, value storage and exchange, and incentivizing network participation. Akash serves as a decentralized cloud computing marketplace that reallocates unused computing processing power to customers in need. Its supercloud connects clients with providers through a transparent, distributed leasing service, while preserving the advantages of decentralized computation via the Akash blockchain. The protocol's flexibility allows for provider transitions, offering performance benefits from global deployments. Computer resources are virtualized and split into containerized applications, referred to as containers. These are leased to tenants, who purchase cloud services on the network. Providers bid on these requests after validation, with the lowest bid winning the lease. This process incentivizes all market participants to use the network. Providers profit from their idle resources, while tenants benefit from lower costs. All marketplace transactions occur on the Akash blockchain. The Akash blockchain uses a delegated proof-of-stake consensus mechanism for security. The network relies on a system of validators and delegators. Validators commit new blocks to the blockchain through a voting process, using tokens staked by delegators. Delegators stake their tokens to their chosen validators based on publicly available information. The protocol also uses a Tendermint algorithm for enhanced speed and scalability. This revolutionary platform breaks the conventional boundaries of cloud computing by promoting transparency and granting permissionless access to all its users. The decentralized nature of the platform ensures the secure and efficient use of resources, making Akash a trailblazer in the realm of cloud computing. Akash currently has a market cap of 700 million. We predict that Akash will have a market cap of at least 30 billion in 2025. That is a 43x from here. As our final project, we would like to highlight BitTensor. Our final project of this video is an AI project called BitTensor. BitTensor, also known as TAO, is a decentralized network that's designed to connect machine learning models, rather than computers or servers. Think of it as a global brain where each neuron is a machine learning model owned by different people around the world. These models work together to process information and provide intelligent responses, much like how neurons in your brain work together to help you think and make decisions. BitTensor's blockchain is built using the Substrate framework, which is the same technology that underpins Polkadot. Substrate provides the foundational building blocks which can be customized to create a blockchain that meets specific needs. This allows BitTensor to have a blockchain that is optimized for its decentralized machine learning network. BitTensor employs a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, which is different from the proof-of-work mechanism used by networks like Bitcoin. In POS, validators are chosen to create new blocks and confirm transactions based on the number of tokens they hold and are willing to stake as collateral. This is generally more energy efficient than POW. The TAO token is the native cryptocurrency of the BitTensor network and serves several key functions. It incentivizes participants, such as miners who contribute their computational resources for machine learning tasks, by rewarding them with TAO tokens. To become a miner and earn rewards, participants stake TAO tokens. This staking acts as collateral, ensuring miners are motivated to act in the network's best interest and securing the network by making malicious behavior costly. TAO tokens are also used in the network's governance. Token holders may propose changes, vote on protocol upgrades, or participate in other decision-making processes. Users needing BitTensor Network's machine learning services may pay for them with TAO tokens, creating a market where tokens can be exchanged for computational work. TAO has the potential to become a significant asset in the growing field of decentralized AI services. This could not only increase the value of TAO as a token, but also establish BitTensor as a key player in shaping the integration of AI and blockchain in the future. BitTensor currently has a market cap of $2 billion. Looking at how the project is being handled, a market cap of $80 billion can be reached in 2025. That is a solid 40x from here. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on all the latest crypto trends.